Hi and welcome to La Luna. I'm Crypto Chrissie, and I'm really excited to share with you today about why now is a really good time to enter the market if you decide that you want to invest in cryptocurrency. And I'm going to share what the golden cross means, which we recently had, that is a technical analysis term. I'm going to share with you the risk and reward ratio and where we're at with that. Along with, I'm going to share with you the sentiment of the market and how the news and those kinds of things are making it a good time to enter the market, along with where we're at in regards to institutionalized money coming in. So let's get started. Technical analysis. This is a way that people predict using probabilities of what's going to happen in the market with different assets. So let's take a look at Bitcoin's chart. This is one of the main reasons that it's such a great time to consider getting involved in cryptocurrency, because we're at a time where there's lower risk to reward, and there's a lot more potential for you to make more gains if you invest when the price is lower. You always want to analyze that you have a lower risk to reward so that you're going to make sure that you're making a wise investment. There's a couple of terms that I want to share with you. One is the bear market and the other is the bull market, and basically how that is indicated, or at least one of the major indicators that determine this. And looking at this Bitcoin chart of when the bull run happened in 2013 and then a bear market happened, that means the price was going down, and then the bull market started in 2015. And I'm just going to kind of show you what happened in this price action and where we're at today in the market, and why it's really a good time and an exciting time to start getting re-involved in cryptocurrency and investing if you're an investor. So first of all, just some basic technical analysis, or TA as they call it. You know, a bear market starts often when there's this signal that's called a death cross, and that's when the 200-day moving average crosses the 50-day moving average. And the opposite of that is the golden cross, and that's when the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average. And that signifies, if it stays in that movement and that trend, that we're going to have a big upward movement. Well, this is what happened the last time we had our bull run. And you know, it all started with this golden cross that indicated the price action was going to go up. And you can see that once that happened, all of the price action ended up above these bands, and that was used for support rather than, like previous, it was considered resistance, keeping the price down. So where we're at today in the market is that we just recently had the golden cross, which is indicating that the trend of Bitcoin's price is going to start going up. And this probably will happen for the next couple of years. It's going to gradually go up to a new all-time high. This is what most people are predicting is going to happen with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And this is really a great time to get involved, because you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin at a lower price, you know, now, because it's probably going to gradually only be going up for the next couple of years until we reach the next all-time high. And when you can buy at the lowest possible rate, that just allows for you to be able to make safer investments, for one thing, and then also be able to have a much higher opportunity for the reward that you're looking for, to be able to take profits and get ahead and meet your financial goals. Frog climbing is a good analogy in regards to getting involved in cryptocurrency. That may sound a little strange, but I think that, you know, it is something you need to really take on, right? And you need to put effort into it. And you need to, make sure that you're going to be safe, or the person that's belaying you is really a trustworthy person, and that you can trust yourself. And all of those things really remind me of cryptocurrency and what you need to go through in order to set yourself up for success and be able to really do well here. And also, when you reach the top, it feels so amazing that you did it. And I haven't quite done that, but I know I'm going to in the next bull run. Another positive indicator that's showing sentiment is coming back to the cryptocurrency market is that the news is talking more positively about it. 60 Minutes has recently done a number of episodes talking about cryptocurrency. And Samsung just has been announcing how they have a new cryptocurrency wallet on their new phone. And AT&T and American Airlines have recently also announced that they're going to start accepting Bitcoin. So all of this is pointing to that cryptocurrency is here to stay, and it's going to be moving forward. And it's just a really great idea to get some of it as an early adopter if you're wanting to make some good investments. And another really amazing reason to get involved in cryptocurrency now is that it's still pre-institutionalized money coming into the market, but this is changing, and it's going to gradually be changing over time. But this month, Fidelity actually opened up trading cryptocurrencies so institutionalized investors can start getting involved. That means a lot more money is going to be coming into the market, and it's going to really prop up the price of your investments. So these are the reasons why it's a great time to start investing in this asset. I'd love to know what your thoughts are around investing in cryptocurrency, and if you think that this is something that sounds interesting and something you're going to want to do, please leave me a comment and let me know what you're thinking in regards to cryptocurrency. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.